physically cannot get myself out of bed. Also, I gave Ozzy a haircut and he looks like the Lorax. Ozzy, can I see him? What did mommy do? He's like bald on top and has big mustache and eyebrows. Oh, cute. I took the weekend off of Vlogmas. I wasn't expecting to, but after announcing about the pregnancy, I just was taking it all in and I didn't know what to post. And I started to film my mom and I making cookies, and it's like the most chaotic footage of that a vlog could have. We're supposed to be having holiday cheer and making Christmas cookies today, but she just keeps running her mouth. All pregnant women need to go get these pickles. My mom found these and they're like spicy. How would you describe these pickles? They're not like regular pickles.
They're very sour and spicy. Very hot and sour.
Super vinegary. Like more than regular. And these ones are the hot ones. They make regular. I've never had the regular ones. I've never even, like, I knew he had a burger place, but I've never seen these in a store. And this is like my second jar of them. I just ate a bunch and closed it, but now that I'm talking about it, I want more. I announced the pregnancy yesterday, so now I don't have to hide all the weird crap I want to eat and overthink everything that I'm doing and talking about. Also, Kimmy would like everybody to know that's why she's here now. Right, Mom? Because when baby's here, I had to cut out many clips of my mom saying why she was here or trying to show things in the baby's room. You want some pickles?
No thanks.
More for me?
Do you think I can hear in there?
I don't think you can hear ever.
Seriously, if I'm in my room with the TV or music on, I can't hear you talking to me, or there with the dryer going.
Time for hearing aid.
What did you say?
There, go ahead. You wanted to talk about why you're here.
Get that off me.
I was saying that you were trying to go in the baby's room and show things. Remember when we were vlogging the other day and you said, let's go, you were gonna pull something out and try to hint at something.
And you told me I couldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what I sound like?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make cookies now.
Yes. Have we cleaned the table off? Oh.
Does it look like it?
No. It needs to be white.
I cleaned off this over here. I thought that's what you're talking about.
Where we'll
never mind.
Never use one my entire life.
Well, we can't all be perfect.
You could strive.
I'll show you the spread so far. But let me put my pickles away. Ooh, this sounds good. Kimmy got me this on Thanksgiving because I have been craving wine, and obviously you can't drink when you're pregnant unless you're crazy. So she picked me up this. I think I'm just like, I feel like I could chug a bottle of wine because it's sour, because I like Prosecco, and so I crave it. Like I don't know, and I got a non-alcoholic wine and it was disgusting. But I could still pretend this is the best flavor. We've tried all of them. I've tried all of them. Me and the baby have tried all of them. And this one is the winner. And look, because it's not real wine, I can fill it up to the top. We are making toffee bars. I think the recipe's here. No, it's not. Well, anyways, toffee bars. We're making peanut butter blossoms. I'm making Jace gingerbread iced oatmeal cookies because those are his two favorite things. We're making lemon bars. We're making grandma's old-fashioned cookies. I'm making your grandma's?
Yeah, it's her recipe.
We're making snowballs. Did I forget anything? Oh, spritzes. Oh, and my
Snowballs.
No. Where's this one? My favorite thumbprint jam cookies. We're making those.
Shortbread?
Yeah, they're like so buttery and...
What's this stuff?
I'm eating for two.
Have you told everybody your name?
No.
Oh. I want to make fun of it.
Yeah, see, because you're evil. My mom doesn't like the name we chose for the baby. So any advice that I could give to expecting parents is don't tell anybody until the baby's here. She's the only one that doesn't like it though. Everyone else I've told loves it.
So how many have you told?
You, Jace's parents, my friends. First, we are going to make Jace's gingerbread oatmeal cookies. I have to pulse some oats and the Vitamix. 2 cups of old-fashioned oats.
My cam reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets, I'm suing. You and me could have a pop punk Christmas. I can find my binder of burnt CDs. Wait, I think I bought Punko's Christmas. Punko's everything on my wish list. You and me could have a pop punk Christmas. Sitting fireside in a Glamour Kills hoodie. Reindeer don't play games in the mosh pit.
So now we have hundreds of cookies and bars in the house. I keep eating them. My doctor told me at my last appointment that I needed to eat more, which I find strange because I feel like I'm eating nonstop. I literally do not think about food or calories or anything at all. I'm just, whatever I want, I'm gonna eat it. And I love that feeling. It's been actually blissful. I just ordered a pizza because I have my anatomy scan tomorrow morning and I know they're gonna weigh me at it, and I'm wondering if I've gained enough weight this week. My last appointment was like 2 weeks ago. So I was sitting here thinking, I'll just make something to eat. I was gonna make, I don't know, I'm craving like salad. That's what I crave. It's like, I want vinaigrette. That's what I crave. I was gonna make salad and maybe some noodles or something, but then I thought, actually, why don't I just order a pizza with a bunch of ranch? So that's what I did. Oh my gosh, I don't have to hide the pregnancy pillow anymore. Every time I've been in my room, I've been, like, I'll film something and I'll have to cut it because this pregnancy pillow is in it. We're doing, well, I'm doing laundry today. I'm home alone. And there's so much to do around the house. I've already, like, got out of bed and got ready for the day, but then I got so tired. Being pregnant has been an insane experience. Like, you don't even know what tired is until you're pregnant. I've heard other women say this and I'm like, how tired could you be? Like, it can't be that bad. No, I've never been so humbled in my life. And it's been kind of difficult for me because my mom had 4 children starting at age 16 to like 36. She was popping out 4 kids. No symptoms. Literally no nausea, no back pain, no, like literally nothing. So anytime I've had anything come up, I'm like, oh my gosh, what did you do for this? And she's like, oh, I didn't have that. I'm like, who am I supposed to go to for advice? Because my mom, she also has never had like period cramps before, and I have endometriosis, so I just, like, we do not relate to each other on a health scale at all. There's just no similarities. I need to do our bedroom. Like I was telling you about painting it and everything. That is a go. Tomorrow is Jace's day off, so I think I'm gonna ask him to take me to look at paint colors and get some samples. It's like the most exciting thing about my week. I finished Christmas shopping this morning besides like stocking stuffers, and I think Jace and my mom are gonna love their Christmas gifts. So tomorrow we'll do stocking stuffers and go get paint samples, but the room, like our bedroom, is just a mess. I haven't finished the closet because as I was going through it, I realized that we need a dresser now. At our old house we had our closet built-ins that we did, and here we just don't have any drawers or anything. I'm not going to do more built-ins because we're not going to stay here past when our lease is up. We're going to figure something out eventually. So we need to find a dresser, and I found like some IKEA hacks because I don't want to spend a bunch of money on a dresser. It's just not my vibes right now. So we might do that, but maybe if we can find something at a thrift store tomorrow. Palm Springs has really good thrifting and estate sales because it's all like mid-century and cool stuff, just unique. So maybe we'll find something. And I think we're gonna put it on this wall. This is like where the TV is and stuff. And that wall is the one that's gonna have like the chair, the pink chair and the lamp. My hair is growing so fast now, I need to get it done. It feels physically impossible to get out of bed right now. Like my eyes are heavy. I'm up barely. And I think I deserve a little treat. I'll show you all the cookies we made. These are butter spritz. They're like very soft and lightly sweet. These are snowballs, also Mexican wedding cookies, and I colored them green. Who took a bite out of one and put it back in there? I made Jace these gingerbread oatmeal cookies. He's the only one in the house that likes gingerbread. Also hack, if you put a piece of bread in with your cookies, they'll get really soft. My mom made these. It's like Heath bar, toffee bar of some sort. And then of course, peanut butter blossom, lemon bars. Everything's like cut up because my mom took some to give to her boss today. And then these are my favorite. They don't look good because this looks so nasty. Don't look at this. The icing, I usually just do powdered sugar on top, but this year I wanted to try icing and it got stuck in the bag. And so I would like squeeze it and it would do this. You know what I mean? Actually, that looks disgusting. I'm so sorry to show you that. I want something. I want to have a peanut butter blossom. I have to take my hair extensions out this week. I mean, they're gonna go back in, but I take them out myself so that it saves time at the appointment. Let's see what else is planned for the week. Oh, apparently I'm filming a blue makeup look this week. That's what I have on my to-do list. I need to film my first trimester update. I'm filming that today. Probably sitting in this same exact spot. And also baby names we like but aren't using. We know the gender from the blood test, so I've known for like 2 months. But tomorrow we have the anatomy scan that will confirm. I've been kind of nervous about it because they say it's like 99% accurate or 98 or something, the blood test, but I don't know, what if we go tomorrow and it's not what we've thought this whole time? I also just put out yesterday a new preset pack for Trashy. It's been in the works since before I found out I was pregnant. Phoebe. Lenny took her toy up on the couch and she cannot jump up there. Anyways, I've been working on this preset pack since July or August. When I got pregnant, or when I found out and I started to have like the first trimester symptoms, it was like, no. There was no photos to be taken. I even used some old photos here because I just didn't have a ton for before and afters. But let me show you what's going on because there's also something new. Ignore my dirty computer, but if you haven't already, go put your email here. This is different than the email list I have already. This is for something different. Okay, the new preset pack is called Moody. This is a picture when I had blue hair. Cute! 14 presets. I try to do some before and afters. Kind of hard to tell on this camera screen. This is one of the last Trashy preset packs. I said this on Instagram and people were flipping out in my DMs. There's just a lot going on. I think it's one of the last. I don't know for 100% sure, but that's how I feel right now. If you like the presets and you're a Trashy collector, don't miss out on one of the last preset packs. Where did I put my phone? Because I want to know where my pizza is. We had our anatomy scan. Are you okay? Hello? Are you good?
Yeah.
We had our anatomy scan today, and everything we think is good. The ultrasound girly isn't allowed to say anything. This car is so messy in the back. But she said if something was wrong, she would get the doctor, and she did not. She let us leave, so we assume everything's good, right?
Yeah. I can really tell what's going on the screen.
Baby was being stubborn today.
It was hard to really get a grasp on what I was looking at.
Yeah, we got one of them demon ultrasound pictures.
I still wasn't even, you guys were talking about it, I'm like, I'm not seeing what you guys are seeing. It was like a different language or something. I just did not understand what I was looking at.
Baby was facing my back, and Jace hasn't seen the ultrasound like that because my mom went to the last one with me. So Jace has only seen the ultrasound at 7 weeks when baby was not even a baby. Anyways, I filmed my first trimester video yesterday and I was talking about the Chipotle vinaigrette when I ordered Chipotle and they didn't bring the vinaigrette so I couldn't eat it. Remember? I was so mad. So now today I was craving it. We had to get 2 vinaigrettes always because sometimes one isn't enough.
Did you talk about how you ate In-N-Out
Yeah,
burger?
I did. Thank you.
For like 9 days in a row?
It was 7.
Are you sure?
It was 7. And yeah, I did.
Many In-N-Out burgers.
Baby likes In-N-Out. Can you move your arm? Because I'm scared you're going to knock over my vinaigrette.
I feel rude that I'm eating.
Why?
We're talking. Keep talking with my mouth full.
We could do whatever we want.
Oh yeah.
It's literally my video. If you want to talk with your mouth full, you go for it. Sometimes I chew gum in my videos and someone leaves me a mean comment about it.
About chewing gum?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you haven't been chewing as much gum lately.
Mm-mm. I kind of don't like it.
No, you're over gum. Used to be like pack a day kind of.
We're out finishing up some Christmas shopping. The lady ringing me up was like, Christmas stockings? I was like,
I got you a couple stuffers. But,
We're gonna go to some thrift stores to see if we could find a dresser that we could like make work in our room. Maybe a little DIY moment.
you gotta make it work.
You don't gotta go to work.
You don't gotta go to work.
Work.
No, you don't
But
gotta
you
go to
gotta put
work.
in work. Work.
You don't gotta go to work, but then you gotta go to.
You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta put in work.
You gotta put in work.
Yeah. Denise is being manly because there's a weird smell coming from the car. He thinks it's coolant. The look on his face of seriousness. We're done Christmas shopping and the thrift stores did not have any dressers for us, so we're now at the hardware store to get paint samples for our room. I've convinced Jace. I thought they just topped us off when we did the
Yeah, I mean, it didn't look like enough to warrant.
the smell. Did it smell under there?
I couldn't smell anything, but who knows what I can smell? I don't know. I'm not a smell expert.
Christmas in fireside and a glamour kills hoodie. Reindeer don't play games in a mosh pit. It's a pop punk Christmas.